If you've had a career for a long time, you might feel like the rewards have been diminishing. Inflation is eating into your savings, and salary increase can't even keep up with it, especially in the last couple of years. In this video, we're going to explore how you can triple your current salary, and the best part is, you will be doing exactly the same work without the exhausting pressure of climbing the corporate ladder. I bet your regular day looks something like this. You wake up, read emails, have a coffee with a colleague, do a bit of work, and then the day is over. And I also bet that you have seen one of those videos where you're told that you need to stop selling your time for money and start a business. What if I told you that there really is one very profitable way of selling your time for money, but you have not yet discovered it? But let's start with the basics. First, ask yourself these two questions. How much is my company paying me per hour? How much money do I produce for my company in 1 hour? Once you answer these questions, you will see that either you are being paid too little for your expertise, or the amount you're producing for your company is too low and thus your paycheck is low. Here is the starting point for the change. I've always been a big advocate of treating going to work as a business. In this business, you are the owner of the company and your employer is the client. If you start thinking about yourself in these terms, you will understand the high value of your time and explore how to improve the services you are offering to your clients. After thinking about the whole work routine and measuring your outputs, you will be able to actually sell your time for money and become what is formerly known as a contractor. So, what is a contractor? If you haven't heard the term before, a contractor is a somewhat temporary worker who's making money per hour or per day from their clients. They are the true definition of selling time for money. They can activate in a variety of fields, so you will find contractors virtually everywhere, from construction workers to software engineers and everything in between. Like every shift in perspective, becoming a contractor is not an easy feat either. Let's explore what is needed to become a contractor. I would say three things are needed here if you want to go on the contracting route in your career. First thing is having valuable skills, which would produce value fast for your clients. You need good or at least in-demand skills in order to make the shift. And also, you need to deliver on those skills and provide value to your clients. Meet or even exceed their expectations, and your tenure will be long and the paychecks will be sweet. Second point is soft skills. Think about these scenarios. If your client requires something, you need to estimate how long it will take. Also, you need to be able to talk to all of the people involved. Negotiating will happen more often in contracting. You need to build a rapport with your clients, earn trust between your peers and your managers, and all the aspects of demoing and presenting solutions to your clients. Third point is resilience. You'll need to be in an attacking position most of the time, talking to recruiters, clients, or potential clients. Also, uncertainty is another aspect. Contracts usually are for a set period of time, so they eventually end and you'll have to find another opportunity. They might be 3 years long or 3 months long. For a person being used to having a comfy job, this challenge might be quite big in the beginning, but the rewards definitely outweigh the challenges. Now that you know what is needed, are you ready to take the leap? Now let's talk about transitioning. There are a couple of points here. First one is networking, and that is a big factor which will determine your success or failure. The ability of maintaining relationships with people in your field and finding the newest opportunities will make a world of difference. The second one is researching and identifying the niche where your services will be rewarded the most and where you will find the most jobs. You can even go as deep as identifying companies which will benefit from your kind of expertise and create proposals for working together. Third point is build a great resume and track record. And the fourth one is keep building your brand. Do this and you'll never run out of clients again, and your checks will grow bigger every month. And this is how you triple your salary by doing exactly what you were doing before. I hope you noticed that I refrained from using the term consultant in this video. If you want to see why, check the video that I made about consultants. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.